Hey folks, Adam here, and today we're looking at the Tempur-Pedic LUXEbreeze. This is one of the top rated mattresses on the planet from Tempur-Pedic, which isn't an ordinary memory foam company. Let me tell you all about it. I had an opportunity to sleep on this mattress for a couple weeks. I've tested it out, and I'm ready to tell you all the details. So let's kick it off right about now. So what is the LUXEbreeze? Well, the Breeze collection is designed to sleep ultra cool. That's right. It sleeps 8 degrees cooler than standard memory foam mattresses, and it's available in soft and firm. And if you're wondering, memory foam for Tempur-Pedic was designed by the experts at NASA, and they keep advancing every single year. So if you buy a mattress this year, it's better than any mattress you've ever seen. Their PureCool Plus trademark technology is absolutely amazing. Now, I personally like it because that cooling allows me to sleep through the night. You're not waking up at 3 a.m. covered in sweat because your memory foam doesn't breathe. Some memory foam doesn't have the ability to breathe. This has 4 layers, each layer with a different function. There are layers that are more porous to allow heat to dissipate, all sorts of things. These folks have thought of it all. So for me, this is an absolutely amazing option. If you're looking for the comfort of a memory foam mattress, but you want it to not be as hot as some of those memory foams, LUXEbreeze is your option. And frankly, nobody makes a better mattress, in my opinion, than Tempur-Pedic. So you can order with confidence, order today, and you won't be disappointed. Just pick whether you want the soft or the firm, and then pick the size that's best for you. These are absolutely amazing. You don't need box springs for them nowadays. You can have box springs depending on the height you want, but you don't need them. So order with confidence. Available on Amazon. You won't be disappointed.